Guys, we're making a grilled chicken pasta salad just in time for the summertime picnics coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, share this, comment down below, all that good YouTube stuff that you're supposed to do. All right. Okay, so like I said, we are doing a grilled chicken pasta salad today, and I said just in time for your summer picnics, but you know, things aren't going the way we want planned right now, so we're not doing a whole lot of picnicking, but this is a great dish for the summer nonetheless. Light, refreshing, a cool summer pasta salad, okay? With the chicken we used on this, I grilled it already, so it's already cold. It's a cold salad, cool salad. So watch this video right here. You can see how I made the chicken. I used my Ninja Foodi Grill, chicken breast, grilled chicken breast, good to go, okay? All we're gonna do right now is we've already got our pasta boiled and we put it into some cold ice water after it was done cooking because I didn't want to keep cooking. And like I said, we want to cool it down because this is a cool pasta salad. All right, I'm gonna get you over to our kitchen island here. I'm gonna show you all how I make the dressing for this, how we set up the extras. We're gonna put a little kick in there. We're gonna put a little jalapeno in there. We're gonna grate some nice carrots to add a little texture contrast, a little flavor contrast, a little sweet to it. And the dressing we're gonna use is a nice olive oil, lemon, garlicky. It's just gonna be wonderful, all right? So come on over here, let's get started, all right? Let's start working on the dressing for this pasta salad. We're gonna add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, 3-ish, all right? Okay, I'm gonna take a couple good pinches of salt. About a tablespoon or so of cracked black pepper. All right. We're going to take a whole lemon. We're gonna take a whole lemon, cut it in half, squeeze the juice over it. So we're catching all the seeds and the pulp that comes out. That's right. That strength. All right, the other half.
Good Lord.
Don't judge. All right, y'all, save these seeds. Plant yourself a tree. Now we are going to take a shallot, right? You're gonna take it, cut off the ends here, peel the paper back, and I want a good pulpy, yeah, that's right. Normally you mince this, but I don't want to mince it. I want the pulp in there. I want it to kind of dissolve in there a little bit. So while we're whisking this, it combines. So we're gonna take a little grater here and just gonna grate the shallot all into the mix here. Yep. Just keep going. The pulp from it will eventually fall down out of this thing, out of the grater. There it is. All right, just keep doing it. You want to do about a whole shallot. All right, good enough. Get that stuff out of there. We got the shallot in there. Now we're gonna add 2 cloves of garlic to it. Guys, get yourself one of these garlic presses. You can just press it and it takes off all the paper, okay? Use the back of your knife, get all that stuff. Okay, now we want to mix it up, get it emulsified. Get all the flavors combining in there. The garlic, the lemon, all that smell is so good, guys. Nice and peppery like we like it. I'm gonna get this in the refrigerator, let it come together with the seasoning a little bit. All the flavors melt together, and then we will start working on putting this salad together. All right, guys, let's get the rest of this stuff prepared. Listen, this is straight from my own garden. I'm freaking excited about that. Mrs. CJ and I are regular farmers now. So we're gonna cut off the edges. We're not gonna use the seeds. Okay. and we're gonna mince this up really good, okay? There's a little bit of the ribs in there, it's fine. We're gonna mince this up really fine. Okay, so you start with a nice julienne. Give it a good mince, good run through with your knife, okay? We want this pretty fine. Last thing you want to do is bite into a big old jalapeno, which you may want to, who knows? All right, guys, all of the jalapenos, has been chopped up, diced, finely minced. We're gonna get it into the pasta. It's gonna get some, this is getting a flavor attack right now. That's what I'm gonna call it, a flavor attack. We're gonna grate up our carrots for Miss CJ. Like I said, it's that texture. You gotta have different textures, different flavors. This is gonna sweet. We put heat in there with the jalapenos. We'll have sour, we'll have salty. We'll have all the flavors of the rainbow. All right, these carrots were washed. I did not peel them because I like regular carrots. I'm gonna use about one, maybe 1.5 carrots. They're fairly decent size. All right, we're all done grating these carrots. We're gonna throw them in. Looks like it's about a little cup and a half maybe. Okay, we got our carrots in there. We got our jalapenos running through there. You know what? You guys could add some black olives to this. I know that would definitely make Mrs. CJ run for the hills. Yep. But look how bright and lovely that looks. All right, so what are we gonna do now? Let's add in our dressing. All that good flavor. Get it mixed up one last time. Nice. All right, just drizzle it throughout. Now I prefer my own homemade dressing like this, but if you guys want to use your own vinaigrettes or even like Italian dressing, feel free to use what you like. This is just a fun recipe. Like I said, light, refreshing, lovely. And then what we're gonna do is I have grilled chicken already cut up over here. I'm gonna plate this up. We'll put the grilled chicken on top. Grilled chicken has its own flavor, so I'm not trying to add it in there as I mix it up. But again, make it your own. Do what you want to do. But this is gonna be damn tasty. Right, I'm gonna plate this up. We'll take a couple pictures. Come on back and we'll do the taste test. All right. All right, guys, we're done. I made it all pretty for the thumbnail. This looks amazing. It smells amazing. I'm gonna give it a shot for you. I know that chicken tastes wonderful, and like I said, link down below if you want to try the chicken, the air fried chicken. Get a couple pieces of these this pasta salad, a little bit of carrots. Here you go. All right, that's good stuff right there. All sorts of flavors going on. All right, it's just amazing, light, refreshing. Give this one a shot. If you'd like any of the stuff I use on my videos, merch, knives, cutting board, anything like that, hit show more underneath this video. Click on the links for the cutting board and the knives. You get a little extra discount using coupon code for Cooking with CJ. All right. If you'd like to become a show producer, click this link right here. Get your name on the other credits. Be immortalized on my videos forever. All right, it's a good deal. That's it, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for Cooking with CJ. Take care.